Factors are the numbers that are multiplied together to get the product. To find the factors of a number, you are going to have to know your multiplication facts. If you do not know them, please print out the chart I have provided for you. There can be many factors of a number, or there can be just two. There will always be at least two factors for every number, and those are the number 1 and itself. For example, the number 5 has two factors, 1 and 5. No other numbers can be multiplied to get a product of 5. Or there can be many factors, like for the number 8. You can make 8 by multiplying 1 times 8, 8 times 1, 2 times 4, and 4 times 2. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. All the numbers that can be multiplied to make a product of 8 are its factors. When you are working with a larger number that you don't know all of the factors for, I'd recommend using the rainbow method. So let's try it for the number 36. So to find all the factors for 36, you start with 1, and 36 will always be a factor. So 1 times 36 is 36. Let's try 2. If we multiply 2 times 18, that equals 36. Let's see if 3 times 12 is 36. Let's see, 4 goes into 36 9 times, so 4 times 9. And then 6 times 6 is 36. So the numbers are getting, notice that the numbers are getting closer and closer, and when they meet, that is when you stop. And this is just another way to write factors. So the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. So 36 has a lot of factors. Let's find the factors of the number 10 using the rainbow method. So 10 is, it's always going to be 1 and 10. So 10 times, 1 times itself is always going to be one factor. And then, let's see, 2 can go into 10 5 times, so 2 times 5. Let's see, let's try 3 doesn't go into 10, so 3 is not a factor, and 4 doesn't go into 10. So 4 is not a factor, and we already have 5. So we are done. The numbers have met. So the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Let's try for the number 42. So we have 1 and 42. 1 times 42 is 42. 2 times 21 equals 42. 3 times 14 equals 42. And there's 4 doesn't go into 42, 5 doesn't go into 42, and 6 times 7 equals 42. So we have 6, 7. The numbers have met, so we can stop. So the factors of 42 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, and 42. When working with large numbers, there are a couple of tricks you can use to find if certain numbers are factors or not. If the number is even, meaning it ends in a 0, 2, 4, 6, or an 8, it can always be divisible by 2, meaning that 2 is going to be a factor. If a number ends in a 0 or a 5, 5 is going to be a factor. If the number ends in a 0, it is going to be divisible by 10, so 10 is going to be a factor. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then 3 is a factor of that number. Let me show you what I mean by that. So if we have, for example, if we have the number 321, and you want to know if 3 is a factor, we're going to add up the digits. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6. And 6 is divisible by 3 evenly. It's 2. So since 3, you can divide 6 by 3 evenly. 3 is going to be a factor of 321. You can have the same rule for the number 9. To find if 9 is a factor, you add up all the digits. So let's try with 657. So if we add up 6, 5, and 7, we get 18. 18 is divisible by 9 evenly, so 9 is going to be a factor of 657. Alright, to practice this concept, please complete the worksheet I have provided for you and check your answers with the answer key. And thank you for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.